In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to go to a particular cell, and we're also going to talk briefly about how to name a cell or cell group. So first of all, let's go to cell A17. And we can name this cell, not just Delamore, but we can name it. Let's name it, go up here to the cell name box. We're going to type med ASST, MedAssist. Click enter. And now, as we can click through some other cells, and they're just called their own, A6 or B5. But if we go down here to A17, it will show a name called MedAssist, MedAssistant. So I want you to put your cursor just somewhere random in the spreadsheet. Click on Find and Select over on your Home tab. Over in the Editing group on the right, Find and Select. We're going to click Go To. In our Go To box, we're going to see MedAssist. We're going to click on it and click OK. So it's sort of like when you rename this, it's sort of like creating a bookmark or creating a easier way for you to remember how to get to a place. So you could actually rename a group of cells also. Let's also go to Find and Select, go to Special, and we're going to click on Last Cell. So the little radio button or the little round button, select the little round button next to Last Cell, click OK, and it will take us to D27.